you see this house. Mama, the house is so beautiful. That is it. The house is like a paradise. So big and fine. Mama, see what you almost made me miss. Eh?
I hope you're giving him food. Good food though.
He's fine, he's fine. I just finished serving him breakfast now.
The only way to a man's heart is through food. And the other room.
Of course, Mama, we had fun last night. Mama, I gave him fire to fire in the other room. Don't you trust your daughter again?
I trust you.
Yes, Mama.
Money? Yeah. The one my in-law gave me, that huge money he gave me, I've not even touched it. But if you still want to bring another one, bring. Ngwano, don't forget everything I told you.
Uju! Uju!
Ngwano, oh, bye-bye. Greet my in-law, oh.
Mama, is that Uju one name? How is she doing?
You have started again.
What is it?
Are you mad? Chimo, did you drink?
Mama, I did not drink. I love you very much.
Call Elise.
Mama, you're very beautiful.
Even touched me with a dirty hand.
Hey, it's true. My hands are dirty. I'll wash them.
Seba, Popiko.
Manaria. Golden woman.
Mwah. Mwah. Ala Papa go this child.
I'll see you when I come back.
Yeah, no put me to my car. Starting when now? I love you. I love you, Gunoni. Love you.
Of the truth, I don't know how to cook.
What?
Yes, I normally assist my sister Ngozi in the kitchen. So she's the one that knows how to cook.
Okay. That's my problem. At least you opened up and I'll teach you. I know how to cook.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you. I feel so ashamed of myself.
No. I mean, there's nothing to feel ashamed about. You could also see millions of videos on YouTube on how to cook local and international dishes. So even when I'm not around, you could try out something.
Yeah.
Okay?
I love you.
I love you too. But this, let's take it out.
Sorry.
It's fine.
So, but you eat the food.
So. Yeah.
I'm sorry, okay?
So how's your new wife?
Brother, that one is a no-go area. About the one who you believe that girl cannot cook.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
What's really wrong with girls of nowadays?
You know.
With their parental upbringing. Cannot cook. I hear they claim to be Gen Z.
Gen Z bodies. Oh my God. Look, see, I think you should take me to a good restaurant for me to have a meal. Because I was actually thinking I'll get back home to have something good, but now.
I need to work on. That's no problem. At least you can inherit it from this one. That is the main thing now, right? Hey.
Don't worry, I'll take you to somewhere good so you can have it.
I trust you. I got to see us the one. That is it.
No, I have short plug for good food.
I trust you.
Hey, Ngozi Ngwanu.
No, if I don't have water, I don't eat. Can get choked.
What kept you so long? You Nkwakezi gozi put ya n'oge.
Just take it easy.
Let me even see the water she brought. Jesus!
What?
I sent her to bring cold water for you. Opute milioku for what?
No, it's
It's what? I sent you to bring cold water. And you brought hot water.
Mama, it's not hot.
If I had wanted him to drink hot water, merely a tea. Eh?
It's not hot.
What is this now? Oh, what is wrong with you?
What is this now? What's the problem? Why are you pouring water on? Okay, you say the water is hot and you are pouring the water. You want to burn her what? Why are you this wicked now? What's your problem? What has she done wrong?
Why are you shouting at me?
Why wouldn't I shout?
As what?
What did she do wrong?
If somebody hears your voice now the way you're shouting, they'll think I'm wicked.
Oh, so you don't know that you're wicked, eh? You don't know?
It's not fair.
It's not fair. It is black.
Bia Okoye, what is your problem? Eh? If you don't like the way I'm treating her, please come and carry her and go.
Exactly, I want to take her away.
Take her away? After all, is she supposed to be living with me?
But what is wrong with you? Why are you this wicked and harsh on this poor girl? Why?
Biko, not on top of the food I gave you.
Which food? This one?
If you don't want to eat, Biko, happy here.
Palm oil. Ordinary palm oil with the... look at it.
Stop spitting inside now.
I am not going to eat it. Nonsense.
So that I'll be able to eat it.
What is it?
Nonsense. Spitting inside the food. Kamli Wonya. Go, Biko.
I don't blame you. Is it not because I came to your place? Idiot.
Nonsense. Nonsensible.
Ngozi.
Uncle.
Look, I've been asking you. As a matter of fact, I've been begging you to come and live with me. Eh? I don't know why you're refusing. You know very well that I can take good care of you. What is she doing for you that I cannot do? Apart from her wickedness. Huh?
Uncle, please, try to understand. Huh? I have come to take her as my own mother, so I can't leave her.
Tufiakwa, she's not your mother, and she will never be your mother.
Uncle, the thing is...
She's wicked!
Uncle, she's not like that, so... And it's not as if I'm enjoying her wickedness, but I love her so much.
Hey.
You won't understand.
You know that she's wicked, but you love her so much, and you want me to understand. So meaning that you are enjoying her wickedness?
No, not at all, sir. I am not enjoying her wickedness. Only that Uncle, beneath all those wickedness, deep down in her heart, she's a good person. She is. It's just that I'm praying for her, she will change.
Go see.
Uncle.
Hey, look, this is your decision, eh? Rethink it, oh. Rethink it. This woman is wicked. There is nothing to enjoy in it. Eh? Please. She will damage you. Anyway, what is your name?
Ngozika.
Ngozika. What is the meaning in English?
Blessings.
Blessings. I pray to Chi that he brings a man that can wipe away your tears. I can see the tears in you. You are just holding back. Okay? Please.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, I'm going.
Okay, sir. Safe journey. Uncle, I'm fine.
Okay.
You are calling your names. Husband snatch, snatch, and women belong above you. Husband snatch, snatch, husband snatch, snatch, and women belong.
Hello. Yeah. Check your phone. I just sent you 2 million naira. Yeah. So you could get yourself a new phone, change of clothes, accessories.
2 million naira.
Yeah, 2 million.
Babe, you sent me 2 million naira. Hey! Baby, thank you. Where's my phone? Where's my phone? Where is my phone? 2 million. Oh, you're so
Calm
down.
Calm down. I just need to change your phone. See? I just need to change your phone. I've always had a dream of, having a girl child first.
You're so weird. Most men would want a boy.
Well, I'm not most men, but whichever way, I just want to have a child, you understand, so that I can take care of him or her, give them the best life.
I know. I know you can. And I know you will. I mean, take a look at the way you're taking care of me. I love you.
You deserve the very best, my love.
This is your late father's will, and this will or testament can only be read on the event of my first son getting married.
Which is what I've done, barrister. So please, you can go ahead.
Okay, can you just calm down and let the barrister read the damn will?
Wait, I don't understand. Why are you raising your voice at me, though?
I said you should calm down and let the barrister read the fucking will.
What did you just say to me?
Shut the fuck up! Just keep yourself together. I mean, coordinate yourself right here. Else I'm gonna walk you both out of my office. We can't go on with this act of disrespect and disregard for me.
Listen, I know you don't like me, okay? That's why you're using such words on me. But thank God you're not my father. So I will get whatever I deserve from his properties. You can't stop that. Go. So go on.
Barrister, ignore stupid things that are coming out of my youngest brother's mouth. It's obvious he's gone in for my inheritance. Please, you can continue.
Please, I can understand. I just need you both to put yourself together. And allow me read this will, please. We can go on with this act of disrespect and disregard for me.
Is it not so obvious that he bribed the lawyer? I mean, he was bent on making your brother the CEO.
At first I shared the same thought with you. Not until I thoroughly scrutinized the will myself. It was handwritten, and the handwriting I saw on that will was that of my late father.
Did your father hate you that much that he wants your brother to become the CEO?
No, my love.
Then what?
I just think he loved his first son.
But that's so unfair. That's unfair.
Not to worry, my love. If God says I will be CEO, then definitely it will come to pass.
Of course you will. Definitely will be. Because when he was supposed to get married, he didn't. So he will regret his actions. Okay?
Oh.
Let me introduce you, okay?
Oh.
You have to do it, okay?
I just can't wait to become the CEO of a Foka construction company.
Don't worry. You will. I can't wait for you to become the CEO. Yeah.
Oh.
It's okay. Hello.
Babe. Hey, baby. Baby, wake up. Baby, wake up now.
Babe.
Babe, come, let's do it again.
Do it again.
Let's have sex again.
No. We already had 3 rounds already before I slept off. God, let me rest.
Babe, a lot is at stake here. Eh? Baby, can you get pregnant for me? Please.
Maybe I know now. I know. I'll get pregnant, but please take it easy on me.
I am, but look, I will lose my CEO title to my younger brother if I don't get to work.
Your CEO title? I thought your dad willed all that to you already.
Only if I have a child. So please, come, let's get to work, okay? Come. Don't worry, take it easy this time.
Still negative. I'm not pregnant.
This is really weighing you down. You need to calm down.
Sam, you don't tell me I need to calm down. Eh? Why has God chosen to embarrass me this way?
So, God have not chose to embarrass you. Everything happened in His own time and season. God has made everything fine and beautiful.
This is not beautiful. There's nothing beautiful about this whole situation. I mean, it's the 3rd year in our marriage and still nothing. Nothing.
Have you been to a gynecologist?
I've been to the best gynecologist in the country. And what else do they have to tell me? That I and my wife were in good condition. Still nothing.
Could this be spiritual?
I'm thinking so. I'm really thinking to that point because I have a feeling Ken's hand is in this whole thing. You know, in this is pursuit for this CEO position.
Exactly.
I have a feeling.
Now you can get the point. Because if his hands are not in this, then he ought to have left the position for the CEO for you.
Exactly.
If he truly respects you and loves you as his elder brother, he should allow it for you.
You just seem not to understand. Eh?
You really need to be careful because this is not getting funny at all. It's not.
What have I done? What have I done to deserve this? Why are my village people treating me like this? They don't want my progress. What have I done?
I think I know who is behind this. I think I know who is doing this.
You know who is doing this? Who?
My brother. I mean, he's the only one that doesn't want me to have the position of the CEO.
Your brother? What have I done to him that will make him hurt me so much like this? What have I done to him?
I don't know. I'm not even sure if he's the one, but it's looking obvious. I have just 2 years. 2 years to have a child or lose everything.
2 years. Yeah, 2 years. God, what is all this? What is all this?
It's okay. It's okay.
Baby, what do we do?
It's okay. Calm down, okay?
Why is everything happening this way? What have we done?
Just calm down. Everything will be fine.
Here is water.
Which water?
I want you to drink water.
Did I ask for water?
You've been worried, you've been pacing up and down, and I'm worried too. What is the problem? Are you owing somebody money? You can tell me, I will work extra to pay the person.
So, Ukamaka cannot have a moment of peace in her own house. What is this now? I'm not test. Just leave me alone. I want to be left alone, please.
I cannot leave you alone. Look at your face. You look worried. Just tell me what the problem is.
Hi! My enemies have finally got me through my daughter, Ujungwa.
Hey! Mama, is Ujungwa in trouble? Is someone looking for her trouble? Just mention the person's name. Now let me get to the city and deal with that person. How can somebody be looking for my...
Shut up! Bichon. Shut up! You know what Naija can make you like Buwaganya. What is it? Because they can do me a favor.
Anything.
Go and sit down on that chair and shut up. Let me talk. Go. I want to think. Go and sit down.
Mama, you need to sit down. You've been worried. You've been worried.
Go and sit down. I will slap you. Go and sit down.
I thought you said your sister Ngozi ran away from the house.
But she's back.
Good for her. Why are you even telling me about her though?
I'm telling you about her because I want you to take her in as your second wife.
What? Would you? What are you saying?
Baby, it's obvious I can't give you a child. But my sister Ngozi can.
Hey, would you please refrain from such conversations with me? Where's this coming from?
Baby, please try and understand me now. I want you to clinch to that CEO title. I don't want you to lose it because you deserve it. Please, I don't want this whole child issue to stop you from taking what rightfully belongs to you. Don't let your brother take it away, please. Obin, I beg you. Bikono, please.
Even if I want a woman to give me a child, it's definitely not your sister now.
Babe, please, it has to be my sister Ngozi. It has to be her. She's the only one I can trust. Please.
Hey.
I wouldn't let a strange woman come into my home to destroy it. No. It's Ngozi that I want. She'll be the one to give you a child. I trust her. Obin, Bikono, please.
It's okay. Come. Here, come. You'll give me a child in due time. Hmm?
I want you to be a CEO.
I will. I will.
Mama said she has told you everything I've been going through. You won't believe Uju and your sister. I am still unable to have my own child after 3 years of marriage.
Hey, what kind of problem is this? Don't worry. God, what kind of thing is this? My sister does not deserve this. You're a very nice person. This shouldn't be happening to you. It should go and happen to someone else, not you.
Amen. But I have to be realistic. My husband is at the verge of losing his inheritance.
Eh?
Yes. According to his father's will, he has to produce a child before 5 years.
My God.
This is the 3rd year. This is the 3rd year. We just have 2 years left.
You know what? There is nothing God cannot do. You can still give your husband a child. I believe God. God will not put you to shame.
Amen. I believe him too. But as it stands now, my husband is ready to do anything to make sure he doesn't lose his inheritance, including getting a second wife.
Eh?
Yes, since I can't give him a child.
Hey! No, God will not allow it to happen. It's God that gives children now. It's not your fault.
I know, Mana. As it stands now, he is already on it. He is on it. Yeah? We just have 2 years left. 2 years. That is why I came. That is why I am here to plead with you, my lovely sister. One name Biko.
My help. Would you just say the word? Anything at all. I would give my life for you if I have to.
Okay. I won't. This is difficult.
Mom, let me help you. Ngo.
Mama.
Mama.
Mama. Mama.
What your sister is trying to say is that it will be a shame and dishonor to her if her husband goes outside and brings in a total stranger as a co-wife. When that woman gives him a child, she will start insulting her. She will start antagonizing her. So she prefers to have someone she calls her blood to be her co-wife. And who else is her blood if not you?
Me? Yes, my lovely sister. Biko, please.
No,
help me.
No.
Marry my husband and give him a child, please.
No. I can't do that. Mama, this is wrong. This is going to be disrespectful and it will be a dishonor to you, my sister. I cannot.
No, it won't. I will be very comfortable knowing that it is my blood that is doing this for me and not some stranger that will take over my home. Please.
Mama. You know I have never begged you for any favor before. Do this for me. A singular favor.
Mama, please don't cry now. No, I can't stand you too. I can't stand your tears, Mama.
Do you want me to kneel down? I can't kneel down.
Actually, we can.
Mama, please.
Biko, Mama. Biko. So that people will not start laughing at you.
Don't cry. I cannot stand you to cry. Please don't cry for me.
And what did she say?
She accepted.
Oh.
She loves me so much. She can do anything for me. She don't look happy.
You should know that it will never be my intention to marry 2 wives.
I know, but it's not your fault. Okay? Life happened. It won't be easy for me too. But I just want the best for you. I just want you to be happy. Isn't that what you want?
You would always be my first and only wife. Okay?
Yes,
Okay. Welcome to our house. Yes. Please sit.
Thank you, sir.
And enough of the stuff, okay? My name is Frank.
Mbao. Baby. No, I'm very comfortable with this, sir.
Me, I'm comfortable with calling you sir.
Oh.
It's alright. No problem then. My love, I would quickly go in and freshen up, okay?
Baby, not without your new wife now. Take her upstairs, get things rolling already.
But she's just coming in. She has to settle in at least.
Settle her in your room. Take her to go and settle her in. Sis, you have my permission. Follow him. Follow him and go and freshen up in the room. He will take you to go and freshen up. Just promise me that you will not disappoint me.
No, Mban, I won't.
Are you sure? Okay, I trust him. Now stand up.
Shall we?
I hope you like the place.
It's fine.
I know. Okay.
You know, you're so sweet.
Thank you.
And it's surprising. You're still a virgin. I mean, unlike your sister.
Well, I decided to remain celibate until I get married. Besides, virginity is not a yardstick to judge a virtuous woman, is it?
Well, you're right.
Can I go now? Are you done? So that I can leave the room for my sister.
You know, you're such a sweet soul. And hey, look, I promise you, I would always treat you right, okay? I would never treat you as a bad wife. Trust me. And may anything happen to me if I do otherwise.
Please don't swear. I trust you. I believe you.
Go.
Ukamaka, Okoye, what came over you? No, really, what's your problem? How could you approve of two sisters getting married to the same man? How?
Who told you they got married? No. Who said she married him? Who? She just went there to rescue her sister from marriage crisis.
I see. Marriage crisis.
So
she's a rescuer. I mean, what is wrong with you? Why are you this wicked? Yes, now. And I heard that you organized some elders and collected her bride price.
And no what? Before? No. Before? Was I not the one that took care of her when her parents died? So I deserve her bride price.
And you forget that that is an abomination, right? You are making a deal to the gods. It's all right. Look, I don't care. Whatever you took from that man, I don't care. You will return my niece in peace as she was. I mean, what is wrong with you? What has she done to you that you've decided to wreck her life?
Which one is wrecking again? Okay, Okoye, why are you just jealous and bitter?
I'm not jealous.
Yes! Did I not give that child to you when her parents died? You rejected her.
No point of correction. I wanted to take her. She refused. She chose you over me.
Are we not saying the same thing? Whether you rejected her or she chose me, are we not saying the same thing? I raised her. Therefore, I should collect her bride price. And
it's all right. Continue to arrogate powers to yourself. I am going to meet my kinsmen. You are going to pay for all this nonsense you're doing. Just watch.
Chalo, hold on.
Hold on for what?
Hold on for what? Let me give you transport fare. Hold on, say so. Oh, can you get go?
You suffered. You, this wretched woman, you want to give me transport? Oh, it's all right. We shall see. All right.
Because Jebe, we cannot see anything. What are we seeing? Then, lele. One day, come and collect bride price. You want to reap where you did not sow.
You are wolf in sheep clothing. You are grateful. You are wolf in sheep clothing. You are pot that cause kettle black. I said.
We went to the hospital and we discovered that she's pregnant.
What? She's guinea?
She's pregnant.
Hey! God! You are good! Hey! Where is she?
I guess she should be in her room.
Hey! My enemies have been put to shame. I have a very big God, hey, who is always by my side. A very big God. Hey! Child! Hello. What is it now? You're not looking happy.
Why should I be happy? You think I want this? What have I done to God that he has decided to make me barren? Why has he chosen to make me barren? What is my offense?
My love, hey, you're not barren. You're my wife. Okay? You're not just my wife, you're my first wife. And nothing is gonna change that. Look, this is what we've always been praying for. A child. Right now, my inheritance is secure. Okay, my love? I need you to be happy for us. Hey. Look, you're my wife, eh? My first wife. And nothing and nobody's gonna take your place. Come. Be happy for me now. Let me quickly check on her, okay? Nice wife. My beautiful wife. I'll be right back. Wonderful God. You know, I'm so overjoyed right now. Look, see this pregnancy? You don't know what it has done for me. Not only claiming my inheritance, but also making me a father. Look, tell me anything you want, I will do. Anything.
My darling husband, I want nothing from you other than your love, of course, and support. And one more thing. Promise me you would always love my sister, no matter what.
Hey, okay, I promise. You have no troubles with that at all. Okay.
Okay.
And thank you.
Well, we thank God, the owner of the universe.
Okay, this is what we're gonna do.
Okay.
You're gonna get dressed. I'm gonna take you out and do your little shopping. Okay?
Me?
Yes, I'll be waiting for you.
Okay.
Okay. A second.
Thank you. Thank you.
The news reaching my desk is that your brother Fred is expecting a child, your elder brother.
What nonsense are you talking about, barrister? What child?
Well, he took another wife who is expected to give me a child. So, hey, you should be happy for your brother, right?
Don't you talk to me about happiness. Don't! This has been your plan all this while. Now you've succeeded.
What?
Yes, you've succeeded. I guess you're happy now. Because I'm not happy.
You should be happy, brother. Hello. How you doing, baby brother? What did I miss?
Well, I was just sharing the good news right here with your baby brother.
Thank you so much, barrister. Thank you so much. I mean, how did you feel? You should be happy for me, brother. Isn't that great? I should be a father very soon. What is wrong with him? Thank you very much, barrister. Honey, you're back.
Thank you. Okay.
Sis, I wanted to tell you.
How dare you? How dare you call my husband without my permission? Are you mad?
I'm sorry.
Get out! Get out!
Why did you have to screw that on me?
I said now!
Uju, what is wrong with you? No, I mean, what is all this?
Listen, you have no right to take her out for anything.
Why are you sounding like this? I thought you were cool with me getting married to her in the first place. So why all this?
Yes, I was cool with you getting married to her and not for her to make unnecessary demands from you.
She didn't make any demands. I mean, I was the one that took her out. She didn't even ask me for anything. Where's all this coming from?
Listen, Fred, that girl came here for a purpose, okay? Allow her to do her job so she can get out, all right? You can't be getting her gifts without my permission.
Uju, do you realize you're being unnecessarily rigid?
Really?
No, do you realize you're being unnecessarily mean? That girl is carrying my child in her womb. The least I can do is even to show her care and love. You know what? I'm not ready for this. Excuse me.
Really? Fred, really? Hey! This demon has taken... This girl wants to take my husband from me. Hey!
I've always told you that girl is up to nothing good. She doesn't like you, but she will always pretend to. I knew it. That was why I asked you if you were sure she's the one that will give your husband a child. It's a here. I know. It's okay. Naija, stop crying. Stop crying. Just listen to me. I'm just this quiet because she's pregnant too. After delivery, Inatiamwa and kick her out of that house. You're too soft, Biko. Let her know you are my daughter. We are not soft people. You heard what I said. Chop her after giving birth. Where is that idiot now, sir? Okay. After delivery, kick her out of that house. Mokunya. Okay. Oh, Wano. Oh. Stop crying. Wanza. Okay.
Ngozika.
I'm coming.
Ha! Oh.
One name, Mom. I'm sorry.
Ordinary to make oath for me. Eh? It's taking you so long. Why?
I'm sorry. It's the gas.
The gas what? Listen, if you don't know how to use a gas, you tell me. I can easily get firewood for you to cook outside.
Sorry.
No. What do you think you're doing? You want to sit on my expensive chair? Do you know how much is what?
The thing is that...
Sin is what?
I have been having cramps lately, so I get tired easily.
You've been having cramps lately. Have you washed the clothes I asked you to wash?
That is. I'm going to get to that point. The tiredness is affecting me.
Because you've not washed the clothes. Are you here to relax? Listen, I do not tolerate any form of laziness. As a matter of fact, I detest lazy people. Okay? So you are not here to relax and eat my food. I can see you're becoming too comfortable in this house. I think I'm beginning to overfeed you. Yes. Because why all this laziness?
Please.
Don't please me anything. Get to work. You're not here to relax.
It's just that you're becoming too harsh on me. Did I do something wrong? I'm sorry.
You know what? Ngozi, get out.
It's the harshness that's...
Ngozi, get out!
Okay. Hey. Sorry.
Hey. Lazy fool. Can you imagine? Telling me about cramps, tiredness. Did I bring you here to eat my food and sleep? Lazy fool. Just to make oats. Then if I tell you to make rice for me, then you take 3 years now. Silly girl. What is this one? Eh? Ordinary oats, this girl cannot even do. Cramps, sneak, cramps, score. What is this one safe? Eh? Simple oats, and the face is looking like this. It's not bad. Meaning what? What kind of insult is this one? How will you bring this girl here to eat with me?
I don't understand. It's called a meal. The man should have it with his family.
Are you out of your mind?
Please.
Are you okay?
Please, let me just leave you before I go. Oh? Okay.
Sit down and eat.
Sit.
Sense. Stay here and watch you insult me this way.
Sir, please, can I go?
Why?
I can't eat without my sister. She's very angry and I've lost my appetite. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You are grateful. You are worth in sheep clothing. You are grateful. You are worth in sheep clothing.
Doctor, I have been having symptoms of malaria for the past 2 days now. I haven't been able to sleep at night.
Well, with the results in my hand here, you are not having malaria.
Doctor, if I'm not having malaria, what then is the issue?
Congratulations, you are pregnant.
What?
You are pregnant. It's cause for celebration, you know. Your prayers have been answered.
Well, you should know managing 2 wives is not an easy thing. Polygamy is a business.
It is indeed, my brother. It's more than terrible. Coupled with the fact that the ladies in question are supposed to be sisters.
That is why it's more confusing, my friend. Because I was thinking it would be easier knowing they were sisters. I must say that there is nothing good, there's nothing to write home about polygamy. Polygamy is fucked, man.
Yeah, but the truth is, you know why I did it.
Dude, I'm not blaming you, darling. I'm not blaming you.
You know, the thought of my hair science is actually the fountain of solace for me. Hey, wife.
Because
yeah, hello? I don't know. I think I have to leave.
everything is okay.
No, she just told me to come home. You're pregnant.
That is what the doctor said.
Hey, you're pregnant!
Yes, baby.
Oh my God, come here! Wait, how long are you?
I think about a month or 2. I can't remember.
Oh, look at you! This is good news.
Yes.
Oh, I told you.
I'm so happy. Yes, thank God. Hold it there. I'm happy for you. I thank God. Baby, you know, I am carrying that which you've so desired.
I know.
I'm going to give you a son, a male child,
Mm-mm.
to make you the true son of your father. Baby, I'm so happy finally. God has decided to. Hey, what are you doing there?
Sitting.
Who asked you to sit? Are you done with what you were doing in the kitchen?
No, I'm just happy.
Up. Happy what? No, we are celebrating. You want to join us and as what?
Don't worry, don't disturb yourself. Let me just go.
And go get out. Go. Thank God. You be a father.
You mean the 2 sisters are going to give birth same time?
Yeah. You know, I don't even know why God has decided to put me in such condition. I mean, I don't know.
You sound worried. Well, you should not worry yourself about anything. You got what you wanted.
Boy, I'm not ready to father children from different mothers.
You should have thought about this before going into it.
Yeah, But I never knew my wife was going to give birth early. If not, I would have waited.
All the same, you don't need to worry yourself. Okay? You have to calm down. What you need to do is to live with them in peace and harmony. That's most important. Chill. After all, you'll be having multiple children from different mothers.
That's Father Abraham.
Well, children are heritage from God. You know that.
Hey, Nna, Chukwu bụ odogwu. Eh? God, I thank you. I thank you. I've always known you will never put me to shame. Ogomo! Sharpshooter cable, congrats. Double congratulations. Hi.
Mama, there's nothing to congratulate me here for. Nothing at all.
I don't understand.
Mama, what don't you understand? Are you not bothered that your daughters are pregnant for the same man?
Why will I be bothered? How does this sharpshooter cable?
Hey.
Eh? I'm not bothered though. Okay. Ngozika is not my daughter. You got to go? She's my stepdaughter. So, I will still give you the double congratulations.
Mama, I'm not having this at all. Mama, it's not going well with me. I can't have both of them in my house. Somebody has to leave.
Eh?
One has to go.
One has to go?
Yes. If possible, leave the child with me and go.
Well, if there's anyone to go, it will be Ngozika. My daughter has come to stay.
It's okay. Since that is what you want, no problem. One has to go. I was thinking I'll be able to handle it, but no. Sad enough, I can't.
Let her go now. But Oga, I was thinking it was going to be a double omugo for me.
Eh?
Yes, now. Mana, since you're not comfortable, let Ngozika come back. Let my daughter stay.
My husband, thank you for not disappointing me. You've just acted like the true son of your father. And I'm proud of you.
Thank you, my love. But you'd have to tell her yourself, okay? If not, I will.
Baby, that's not a problem, okay? I will tell her that once she delivers, she is leaving this house immediately. She has to leave.
My enemies wanted to create chaos and unity in my family. Well, shame on them all.
Shame on them. They have failed completely. Their plans will never prevail.
But I'm worried.
Why?
What if she refuses to give up the child?
Never. Ngozika, that I know. She dares not. Relax, she's a small fry. I know how to handle. She can't even dare me. Just relax. Ha! Why won't she leave? Is she okay? Ha! She knows me, don't worry. Baby, I'm so proud of you.
Thank you, my love.
Fine man. Handsome man. Thank you. Obi.
Nanyokoi, please, I have come to apologize for the way I spoke to you the other day. And, secondly, for collecting the bride price of Ngozika in your stead. But I kept it. I said, let me hold it for you. I'll give it to you. Look, I'm sorry. Very sorry.
Kanaka,
Sir.
hold your apology to yourself. It holds no water. You should thank your stars that I even allowed you to come to my compound and sit on my chair. Okay? So keep your apology. For your information, my kinsmen and I held a meeting, and we came to the conclusion that Ngozi was never married. So whatever arrangement you have there is illegal. Okay?
Naibiko, calm down. Calm down. We will sort everything out. Oh? Ngozi will come back.
In one piece. Yes, so in one piece. Whoever you gave her to must return her to me the way he took her. Is that understood?
Come.
Okay.
She will come. Like I told you earlier, she went on a rescue mission. In few months, she will return.
This rescue mission you're talking about, what is it? Is she John Rambo? I don't understand. To rescue who? And you are talking of few months. Months what? What is it? You are still counting months?
Calm down, but you will be.
Oh.
Eh? She'll come. She'll come. I'll bring her back.
Anyway, like I said, she should come back in one piece.
Yes, sir.
But leave my house. Eh? What if when you heard me? Leave my house! Don't thank me. If somebody sees you now, you think that you're a good person.
So what do you want me to do? Am I a doctor? Am I a doctor?
You're going to take me to the hospital. I need to get to the hospital.
What? Your driver or what? Because I don't have that strength. But I will do you the favor to booking right for you.
Did you say booking right? Would you take me to the hospital?
I said I don't have that strength. Are you there? What's your problem now? You are pregnant and I am pregnant. I'm not even disturbing like you because stop shouting before they think I'm killing you here.
Just help me, help me, help me.
You're disturbing my baby with your noise, Biko. Please.
Hi!
Okay, if we hang up, Biko.
Hey! Babe, guess what?
What?
Guess what now?
Talk, I beg, I don't have strength.
Hey! Ngosika has just given birth to a bouncing baby boy! Hey! Thank you, Jesus.
Really?
Thank you, God. Yes. Both baby and the mother are doing fine. Hey! God, I thank you.
So, Ngozi did not only give birth before me, she equally gave you a son. As if she knows that's what I've been planning to give to you. Ngozi. Always in a competition with me.
Babe, stop all this now. Stop all this. You should be rejoicing with me. I mean, I have a son. My kid brother and his wife will bear their faces in shame. They have daughters. I have a son, Dimpa.
See the way you're happy. Jumping like a frog. You're happy that another woman gave you a child. You are happy that another woman gave you a child instead of your beloved wife. I have always wanted to be the one to make you this happy. But it's unfortunate.
My love, you would still give me another son.
But hers will be the first son.
Forget about all this now. Whoever gives birth first or second or anything, you still remain my wife. Just with me, I don't go on. It's life for me now.
Ngozi. It's okay.
Congratulations. Oh?
This is pure wickedness. Sister, what you stand to gain? I loved you as my mother. I care for you as my sister. I support you.
Okay. You have a son. Congratulations. Oh?
I always stand for you, no matter what you do. Alele Bugabo, Chimo, enough for wife and for Alele Bugabo, Chimo, enough for wife and for Alele Bugabo, Chimo, enough for wife and
What nonsense? Who kept this thing here? Who kept this rubbish here in my couch?
Joanne, you're back. What's the meaning of this? Oh, I went to make his food. So what if I was coming back with a visitor? I went to make his food.
And so what? Is that why you would dump him on my chair? Do you know how expensive this chair is? What if he pees or put on the chair?
He's wearing diaper.
And so what? That person is a fool? I don't like this nonsense. You don't know how expensive these things are. I don't like it.
You're getting yourself worked up.
You can take this rubbish out of here.
Stop getting angry now. He's your nephew.
Nephew call. Eh? Come and take him out of this place.
Stop getting angry now. Eh? Stop getting angry. Are you the first woman to have a son? Take it easy. This boy is your nephew. Nephew call.
And so what?
Carry him. Oh,
please take him out. Just imagine the way you sprinkled what I don't know on my chair. Because you have a son. Are you the first? You will not hear word again. Nonsense. Stupid. You will not hear word again because you have a son that nobody has given birth to before. Stupid girl just stressed me now. Used my last strength to talk.
My heart is in sorrow.
Baby, are you okay? You don't look happy.
Yeah, I'm fine, no. Nothing.
Eh? Are you sure?
I don't know. The meal Ngozi cooked. It's as if she didn't prepare it well or equal point.
Really?
Ngozika! Ngozi! So, Ngozi, it has gotten to the point where you no longer make decent meals in this house.
Sorry, I was attending to my baby and then...
Will you shut up? Shut it!
Baby, calm down now, calm down. Allow her explain herself. Because what happened?
The baby was crying and had the food on fire. Then I quickly went back to change his diaper. Before I came in...
Can you imagine the nonsense? Can you imagine the nonsense? She's just a baby. Are you the first woman to give birth to a child? Eh? What is wrong with you? Using your stupid baby to make excuses.
My baby is not stupid.
Hey! If you go near. Have you seen it? This bastard I brought from the street to come give you a child, she is now talking to me anyhow. She now has the boldness to talk to me anyhow.
Oni,
if you go near.
Oni, calm down, at least.
Don't tell me to calm down!
Listen to her now. Okay, forgive her.
Forgive what? See the way she's insulting me after eating my food with this mouth. This same mouth she's using to eat my food. She's using it to now insult me, talk to me anyhow.
Forgive her.
Forgive what? Listen, if not for one thing now, I'll have got... Ow!
Baby.
Ow! Baby.
Where?
The baby coming.
Where?
Oh! The baby. The baby is coming. Oh, the baby is coming.
Okay.
Just breathe. Try to breathe. Open your mouth. Breathe.
breathe. She says she'll breathe. She says she'll breathe. Bring it. Bring my khaki.
My waist. Massage her waist.
Massage waist. Bring her. My khaki. My khaki. She says she'll breathe. Breathe. My khaki. Hey, massage.
Fine. The baby is fine. I'm so happy to do it. The Lord has done it. And she's just there. It's not easy, I'm still having some small cramps. I'm good, I'm okay. Okay, boy. I don't understand. He was crying twice and then he released. Give me my chance now. Give it to me. He was crying.
You want to kill my son for me? Who knows if you're the one making him to cry, sir?
I'm just helping out.
Did I send you? Oh no, mommy, did I send you?
You're breastfeeding him now.
It's not your business. Don't touch my son again, Sorry. Oh yeah, baby, sorry.
Be careful.
You are going up. Don't. Stop crying. What has this witch done to you? What has it done to my son? Nonsense. Sorry. Look here, don't touch my son again. I am not even joking. Let them be the first and last you will ever touch him. It's your first chance.
All I do every day is just to make you happy. All I think every day is about your well-being.
You must leave my house. You are leaving my house. I am not going anywhere. Oh, I am trying your back to where you. I am not going anywhere. You are leaving my house. I am just respecting you. I am respecting you. What will you do? Will you beat me? What will you do? You want me to leave this house, right? Yes. You and your husband should restore my virginity back. Else I am not. You are mad. You are mad. You are stupid. You see that you are leaving this house. Because you don't try me. You are leaving this house. I am not going anywhere.
Hey, what's going on here now?
Baby.
What's this? What's going on here?
See, tell this stupid girl to leave my house. Give her baby and let her leave my house.
No, that is not possible. I mean, that is my child. My child can't leave. No, come. What is it, Ngozi? What is it? I've told you to leave now. Okay, tell me, what will it cost you? What will I pay?
Please, sir, with all due respect, this is not about money. I am not going anywhere. If you want me to go, I have told her what needs to be done. You are senseless. You are leaving this house. Let me see you cross this place right now.
Hey, it's fine. You know what? It's fine. You want to stay, you can stay.
Baby, stay where?
Just avoid these problems. Just leave her.
I don't like this thing, no.
It's okay.
Okwagi, don't worry.
Ngozi, what is it, Kwano? Look, I have no problem with you staying in my house, but I can't handle 2 wives. Look at it now, it's already driving me crazy. I've told you, just leave. Now look at, see, you're having a fight with your sister already.